What if I told you that $100 could realistically grow into $10,000 without winning the lottery, without gambling, and without doing anything crazy? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. It's not about luck. It's about strategy, patience, and understanding how money actually grows. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can turn a small amount like $100 into something life-changing, step by step. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies that work in the US financial system. And if you stick with me until the end, you'll understand why most people never reach $10,000, even if they start with way more than $100. Let's get into it. First, you need to change how you think about $100. Most people see $100 as something to spend, a dinner, a pair of shoes, maybe a night out. But here's the surprising part. Wealthy people see $100 as a seed. A seed doesn't look like much, but when planted correctly, it grows. And that's exactly how you need to treat your money. So step one is simple. Don't spend it. Protect it. Now this is where things get interesting. Instead of spending that $100, you're going to invest it, but not randomly. You need a system. Step two is choosing the right investment vehicle. If you're in the US, you have access to one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the world, the stock market. But don't worry, I'm not telling you to gamble on random stocks. Most people lose money because they chase hype. They see a stock trending and jump in late. But smart investors do the opposite. They focus on long-term growth. A simple and powerful option is investing in index funds like the S&P 500. Why? Because it tracks the top 500 companies in the US, companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Historically, this has returned around 8 to 10% per year. Now you might be thinking, that's slow. How does that turn into $10,000? Good question. This is where most people get it wrong. They expect fast money, but real wealth is built through consistency. So step three is adding more money over time. That $100 is just your starting point. Let's say you invest $100 today and then add $50 every week. That's $200 a month. Now imagine doing that for a year. That's $2,400 invested. But here's the key. Your money is also growing at the same time. And most people don't know this. The real magic isn't in how much you invest. It's in how long you stay invested. This is called compounding. Compounding means your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. At first, it moves slowly, but over time, it gets bigger and faster. Now, the next point is where most people fail. They quit too early. They invest for a few months, don't see massive results, and stop. But wealth doesn't work like that. You have to stay in the game. Let's say you consistently invest for 3 to 5 years. With steady contributions and market growth, your $100 start can realistically grow into thousands. And if you scale your contributions over time, hitting $10,000 becomes very achievable. But here's the surprising part. Investing alone isn't enough. You also need to increase your income. This brings us to step 4. You need a way to generate extra cash. Because let's be honest, $100 alone won't magically turn into $10,000 overnight. You need fuel for the fire. That fuel is income. In the US, there are countless ways to earn extra money. Side hustles like freelancing, delivery apps, online services, or even selling digital products. Let's say you make an extra $300 per month. Instead of spending it, you invest it. Now your growth accelerates. And this is where things get powerful, because now you're not just relying on time, you're using both time and income. Most people don't do this. They earn more and spend more, but you're going to do the opposite. You're going to earn more and invest more, and that's how you separate yourself. Now, step 5 is managing risk, because let's be real, not every investment goes up. There will be ups and downs. The market will drop sometimes. And this is where most beginners panic. They sell at the worst time. But smart investors stay calm because they understand one thing. Short-term volatility is normal. Long-term growth is what matters.
So instead of trying to time the market, you stay consistent. You keep investing, even when things look bad, because historically, the market always recovers, and those who stay invested win. Now, let me ask you something. What if you could double your progress? This is where things get even more interesting. Step 6 is learning high-income skills, because the fastest way to reach $10,000 is to increase how much you can earn. Skills like video editing, copywriting, digital marketing, or coding, these skills are in high demand in the US, and they can easily generate $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Now imagine this. You invest your original $100, you build a side income, and you consistently invest that income. That's how you go from $100 to $10,000 faster than most people think. And here's something most people don't realize. It's not about one big move. It's about small, smart decisions repeated over time. Now, before we move to the final part, if you're getting value from this, take a second to like the video and subscribe, because this channel is all about helping you grow your money the smart way. Now, let's finish strong. Step 7 is mindset. This might sound simple, but it's everything, because if you don't believe it's possible, you'll quit early, you'll doubt the process, you'll get distracted. But if you stay focused, consistent, and patient, you will see results. And here's the truth. Turning $100 into $10,000 isn't a secret trick. It's about discipline. It's about making better financial decisions than the average person. And once you learn this, it changes everything. Because then, it's not just $100. You can apply the same system to $1,000, $10,000, even $100,000. And that's how real wealth is built. So here's your takeaway. Start small. Stay consistent, increase your income, invest wisely, and most importantly, don't quit. Because the difference between someone who reaches $10,000 and someone who doesn't isn't intelligence, it's persistence. And if you stay in the game long enough, your money will grow. That's how you turn $100 into something powerful. And more importantly, that's how you take control of your financial future.